Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mega menu like this. If you see, if I hover on this shop tab, here you can see recent products will be appear, widgets demo, Elementor, and if I click on this tabs option, you can create this type of mega menu builder. Okay, and I will show you how to create this type of mega menu. Okay, so this is an example. I have created a mega menu for this website. Here you can see if I hover on this services page, mega menu will be appear like this, like digital marketing services, search engine optimization, email marketing, brand identity services. Whenever we create a normal header, if I hover on this help option, this is a menu or default we can see in all the websites. Okay, by using this ElementsKit plugin, we are going to create this type of mega menu. Okay, so please do watch this video from start to end. Initially, this is a normal menu we are having, and we are going to convert this normal menu into this type of mega menu. Okay, so I will show you how to create it. So first, let's install ElementsKit plugin. So go to backend and here click on this plugins option, and here click on add plugin, and in search bar search for ElementsKit. So this is a plugin we need to install. Let me install it. Now click on activate. So now on the left side you will see this option like ElementsKit option. So click on this ElementsKit option. So on the left side you see like ElementsKit option. So you have to click on this modules option and you need to enable this mega menu option. After enabling this, click on this save option. Click on this header and footer option. Here we need to create a main menu. So click on this header and footer option and click on add new template. And here you need to give a title like header. After adding a header section, header title, select this header option and a condition should be on entire site, and click on this enable. You need to enable this entire site option and click on save changes. After making the save changes, you need to select the header option and click on edit content, and now we need to add a header, new header. So this is the default header previous we are having, and we are going to convert this header into this type of header. So now after entering to this canvas, Elementor canvas, click on this ElementsKit option, and here select this sections option, and from this category option we need to select this header option. So click on this category option and select this header option. Please do scroll down, and here you can see there are lots of pre-made header templates that are available. There are free templates and the paid templates are available. Okay, so here let me select this. If you want to preview these headers, just click on this option, and here you can see this is the preview of this header section. And if you want to preview another sections also, you can click on this. Okay, these are the free versions, and just click on this. So I want to use this header section. Okay, so if you want to use this header, just click on this insert option. So after clicking on insert option, immediately the template will be inserted into this Elementor canvas, and here we need to upload our logo. So first, here you need to select the logo option and click on this image option and choose the image, and you need to upload your logo. Let me select this logo and upload the logo over here. And after that, here you need to select the main menu option. Click on this menu option, and here this is you need to select the main menu. So we have created this main menu. So I will select this main menu. This is the main menu I have created. Okay, so let me select this main menu, and let's go to the style option, and here minimum height should be, let me add 50 pixels. Okay, and let me increase the size of this width. So go to advanced options, and here select this width option as custom and increase the width of this main menu. So let me increase the width of this main menu into 75 pixels, and let me see how it will be visible. So let me increase to 60 pixels. Okay, and in the below we need to add a main mega menu. So first we need to create a main menu. We have successfully created a header. So click on this publish option, and after creating the header, now we need to create a mega menu like this. Okay, so again let's go to backend. Please to close this. After adding the logo and main menu, click on publish option and go back. So if I visit this home page, so let me click on refresh option, and here you can see the menu will be changed over here. Okay, now let's create a mega menu for this. So let's go to backend, and here you need to select this appearance option and click on menus option. Here you can see ElementsKit mega menu. You need to enable this ElementsKit mega menu. After enabling this ElementsKit mega menu, here you will see an option on services. Click on this mega menu option, and here the pop-up will be open like this, and please to enable this mega menu and go to settings, put this all the options as default, and go to content option and click on save option. And now we need to create a mega menu. So after saving this, select enabling this mega menu, click on edit mega menu content, and now we will select the templates that are available. So click on this option, ElementsKit option, and go to sections option, and in the category section you need to select here mega menu option is available now. So here I have to select this mega menu option, and here you will see there are a lot of mega menu options are available. If you're having like e-commerce website, you can just use these mega menu options. If your paid options are available, premium options are available. If you're using like e-commerce website, if you're having e-commerce website, just click on this option if you want to preview this. So that's how this mega menu will be appear. If you want to use this mega menu, just click on this insert option. So immediately, so it will take some time to insert. Here you can see the mega menu has been inserted over here. Okay, so if you're having e-commerce website, you can link this text to your specific product categories. If I click on this option and go to easy to customize option, here you can add link option for each text. Okay, if you're having like only like a headphones option, you can add headphones category, product category link over here, so that whenever the customer clicks on this particular text, so it will be redirected to do that particular product category. Okay, so I don't want to use this mega menu, so let me delete it. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. Let me click on this. So I want to create a mega menu like this. Okay, so go to mega menu option, click on this mega menu option, and I want to use this option. This is the option I want to use. So let me click on this and click on insert option, and here you can see these are the options. These are available. Let me select this main content option and let me change the mega menu background to white color. Okay, and now here I want to use another options, like here you can see I want to use SEO. So let me select the body option and here type SEO, and let me click on this image option and change the image, and let me select this SEO image option and please do select it. Okay, and go to style option. In the body section, here in the typography section, I want to increase the size of this text to like 20 and the weight should be like 700 pixels. Okay, and go to content option. In the body section, the alignment should be in the center. Okay, so let me select this second option and here let me add this web design option text. So go to body, type web design and select this third option and let's add Facebook ads. Go to body and here you can see the final option is Google ads. Let me click on this subcontainer and duplicate it, and here let me select this and go to body section and click on Google ads. Please do type Google ads. So after customizing this, so let me select this first option, go to style and go to body, and here I want to change the text size. For normal it should be in black color, and whenever I hover on it, it should change to dark green color. Okay, like this. So after changing one thing, after changing the first subcontainer customization, so click on this copy option and please do copy it and click on this paste style for each element. Okay, and the text should be appear in the middle. So let me click on this body text and it should be aligned to center, and click on this and click on body text, align to center, and click on this and body text should be aligned to center. Okay, if you want to change the image, you can change the image also. You can add different image over here. Okay, let me add digital marketing image, and in the web design section, let me add web designing image. Let me select brand identity. Okay, so after making the customizations as per your requirement, click on this publish option. After publishing it, close it and click on save with this and close it, and now scroll down. Here you need to save the menu, and if you go to if I visit the website, so initially the website is like this, and let me refresh this website, and here you can see if I hover on this, the mega menu will be appearing like this. Okay, so this is a before mega menu, this is a normal menu, and this is a mega menu like this. Okay, and that's how you can create a mega menu as per your requirements. If you are having e-commerce website, you can add like e-commerce products, also products categories as shown in the ElementsKit library. Okay, so if you want to, you can also go for premium version. In premium version, you will get lots of customizations that are available. So here you can see if you are having for a single site, you can pay for $132, and here you can see if I click on this mega menu builder, let me refresh this website, and here you can see you can create this type of mega menus like this. Okay, thanks for watching. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.